Is Safemoon as a scam? Is it just pump and dump, or will it be the next Dogecoin? Now, before we move on with the video, I want to emphasize that I'm not a financial expert, so anything I share in this video is just my opinion or just speculation. So in today's video, I want to address some of the questions you guys asked on my latest video that's getting a lot of attention, and talk about Safemoon in general. Now, if you haven't heard already, a few days ago, a coin named Hoj was going viral all over the internet, on TikTok, on YouTube, and it's been blowing up. A lot of people have made a shit ton of money. A lot of people have made a lot of money once a coin got listed on an exchange called Whitebit. For example, this user here, I think he spent $250 and made 50k, which is insane gains. And recently, there are talks about Safecoin being the next Hoj with 100x gains, and it has drawn a lot of attention. So, the Reddit has grown to like 3k now, and the amount of holders have gone to 20k. So yesterday, it was at like 8k or something, which is crazy. But is it just a pump and dump? Is it just fake hype, or is there more to it? Now, as of right now, the website of Safemoon is down. Now, this might be a major concern to some of you who are looking to invest or have already invested in Safemoon. I spoke to one of the developers on the official Discord of Safemoon, which, by the way, you can join down below. And he assured me that the website will be back up and running in no time. So it's just the servers, or something with the DNS having a hard time dealing with the traffic. And it's actually a good news if you think about it, because there's a lot of demand, and it led to the website, to crash. And by the time you're watching this video, the website should be or could be online or back up and running. But yeah, let's dive deeper into how the coin actually works. Now, Safemoon is supposed to be a deflationary asset, meaning that there will never be more Safemoon tokens in circulation than there is right now. So it's pretty much the vision of the developers who kickstarted Safemoon. So you can have a look at the Safemoon protocol. I'll obviously link that down below as well. Now, how can we trust the new coins? How can we know that this is not a scam? Well, as you can see, they explain it quite clearly on this post. So first, they burned all of their coins and provided liquidity for the pre-sale event. And secondly, they force-locked all the liquidity for 4 years, which is a huge plus for new buyers. You may think that this is a pump and dump, so that just ensures that this is a serious project and not there's an exit for the developers. And thirdly, every trade contributes to generating liquidity locked inside the PancakeSwap liquidity provider. So it just gets back into the liquidity provider. And the best part, the cool thing about this is that every time a Safemoon transaction has been made, the value of the remaining Safemoon tokens in circulation increases by decreasing the supply, if that makes sense. Meaning, it's a deflationary asset, unlike Ethereum. It's like Bitcoin in a way. It's deflationary, but on top of that, it redistributes new Safemoon tokens to holders of that coin. So, for example, yesterday I bought 9.4 billion Safemoon tokens, and today it's at 9.5, as you can see on the screenshot. So, in short, the more transactions take place buy or sell, the more the net worth of an individual holding the coin increases. Now, the best part of this is that this coin is relatively new and has only been out there for a few days. So there's a lot of potential, and the community and holders are rapidly growing. Hence why I believe this coin could blow up very soon, reaching similar heights to Hoj. So if you haven't checked the latest video already on how to get or how to buy Safemoon using the Trust wallet, watch the video. It's pretty self-explanatory. It has already got like 15k views, and I'm overwhelmed with the feedback, and I'm glad it's helped a lot of people. So, message me down below. You can obviously support by just liking this video, sharing this video, and making sure that everybody gets into this, because the more people are aware of Safemoon, the more we can make. So it's just a win-win for everybody, right? Your wallet will increase, your holdings will increase, everything will increase in that sense. So it's a win-win for the community, and it's like a snowball effect that will just keep growing and keep growing. So as long as we keep pushing this project, as long as we keep building up the hype and share this everywhere on social media, the more everybody can benefit. So I personally believe that this is an amazing token and an opportunity for a lot of people who have missed out on Doge, who have missed out on Hoj. So get in now. It's just been 5 days or 12 days actually since the launch. Great things are coming. Like, for example, the white bit listing that's been speculated the past few days. They've already sent the application, and we should be hearing back from them very soon. So yeah, with that being said, guys, just smash the like button, subscribe, and comment down below if you have any more questions. And more videos are coming very soon regarding this coin. I'll upload a video on how to get Safemoon through your MetaMask wallet. Yeah, all links are down below.